and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. This session is going to be purely on Microsoft tool called Power Automate. I have already done three videos on it. One is how to download the email attachment to your shared point or net OneDrive, how to extract ID from your email subjects, and the tricks or hacks that you need to know about how, handling dates and time in Power Automate. Yeah. So if you haven't checked them, please do go through them. It's actually quite informative, and it may come handy for you. Now, the topic that we're going to explore today is one of the use cases. I think it's gonna be very useful for those who works on a lot of emails, right? And actually, I think this kind of a automation, as per my perspective, everyone should have this automation built in their Power Automate platform or an account because it's gonna be very useful, and it avoids a lot of typing and everything on particular email, right? So the topic that we're going to explore today is that how we can have an automated email sent to respective email whenever that email arrives. Have a template set, and without you have to read through email and reply to it with the standard template. Let your Power Automate solution do that for you so that you can focus on other activities which requires your attention, right? So, without any ado, we can dive into it. But just a quick request from my end to you is that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and do so. And it would be really helpful for me and to those people also who actually looking for these kind of contents. Now, notice that I have recently created the email account for our Let's Automate channel. So you can reach out to me in case of any concerns or questions if you have with your automation. It can be any tool. It can be Power Platform or Power Automate, UiPath, Automation Anywhere, or say even PowerShell. I would definitely help you out in that. So also do write your comments or share your comments, thought process. I would definitely get back to you. Yeah. Now, without any ado, we'll get started with the solution. Now, I am in the Power Automate platform right now, as you could see. If you don't know how to navigate to Power Platform, just go through my sessions that I have conducted earlier, where I have mentioned the steps to navigate to or open your Power Platform. Now, uh, I'm gonna restate the statement of the use case. The use case is that whenever an email arrives, the automated process should trigger and respond to that email with the specific template. We will try to enhance the process little by little as we go through the entire automation process. Okay, so for now, let us create a automated flow. Like I mentioned, the use case is that whenever we get an email, right, so it should always be a uh, solution or a new flow which is automated cloud flow. Okay, now in here I'm just gonna type a flow name as um, auto email uh, bot. Okay, that's my process name. Now it depends on email, so I'm gonna search for email. I'll choose outlook.com. So if you're using office accounts, work account, go with O365. Okay, and I don't have or it for me it is not supporting Office O365. Okay, I have used when an outlook.com. Now here it says that when an email arrives, folder is obviously input inbox folder for me for now. You can change as per your I'll keep everything as is. I don't want to change anything. And the next would be the activity or action is I got the email. Whenever there is an email, I got the email. Now I'll have to reply to that email. So to reply to that email, reply to email action, choose that. Now here you need to pass the message ID. This is my message ID. This is a unique identifier of a message. So you should know that whenever any email that you get, right, it will have an hidden message ID attached to it. So those can be fetched out using coding languages or coding methods. So Power Automate will give you this message ID. You just select that message ID. Now let's type the email. Hello. Uh, Thank you for reaching out to our our RPA support or our yeah RPA support. We will review your email and get back to you soon. Okay. Regards, RPA support. Okay. Bot. Okay. So this is what it is. Now, if I mention, let's do reply all, and that's it. Yeah. Now let's save this off. Okay. Save this. Only two actions I needed. It did not even uh, took much time for me. Plus, whatever I have done, it needed very little or no expertise in terms of coding, right? It's very minimal coding expertise is needed, and zero coding was needed at all because I did not code anything. I just wrote a normal text and I just chose some parameter and then I just selected from drop down list. That's all I did, right? You see, very minimal effort was needed. Very minimal or zero coding was done here, right? Now I have saved this code. Let me go back to, I'll just show you in my mail. This is my Outlook email. I don't have any mail right now in my mailbox. Uh, Let me just take out my mail ID. I need that mail ID. So uh, discard this. Let me go to my mailbox, which is this compose mail. Okay, this is my mail ID. Now let me write subject query on your RPA ABC project, ABX project or ABC project, ABC project, India. Okay. Now, hello. I uh, I am interested in having your project done for our region. Please share details on the our next action item. Okay. Regards, client. Okay. So this is my email that I'll be sending it to the email address, this email address. Basically, this is the email address that is connected to my Power Automate workflow. Okay, so I have sent the email. I'm just going to cross check whether the email has been sent. The email has been sent. I'll see here. It's not yet arrived, but that's okay. I'll go to my workflow. I'll just refresh this. Okay. Nothing ran yet. We got our mail. Okay, let's refresh this. Yep, see, it started running. It's successful also. Okay, that means email has been replied. Okay, this is the email that it has sent. Now let's go back to our mail and wait for our inbox and see if we have received any email. Look, we got our mail. So it says that, hello, thank you for your email. Our team will review your request and will get back to you. Regards, support bot. See, it's so simple and so easy that you don't even have to spend a lot of effort in building it. How much it took? A couple of seconds, couple of minutes to build this code, right? It's very simple. Now, I know. You may be having a question right now that whatever you did is that on a day-to-day basis we get 200 meals. Now for every meal, if it's keep writing the same responses, then it would create a bizarre in the organization, right? Or a lot of conflicts in the organization. So I do have a solution for that. So, one option is that either you can hard code your receipt name. So, for example, here there is a from email ID, right? So, you can have a from email ID sent to or just mention the person name. For example, for me, I would have to write this email ID, right? Where exactly this this Gmail address, I'll have to paste it in here, and then next, I would have to provide another Gmail ID or any email IDs that you want uh, to be checked by your automation process. This is one. Option one is to hard code the email ID. Okay. Now, option number two is it's very simple. I'll tell you. Uh, you get all the email whenever new email comes. That's okay. Whatever the email, let that email gets captured. Next, so let me create a file here, Excel workbook, which states that email ID. Okay. So here I'll provide the email ID of this, which is okay, this email ID. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna paste here. Okay. So similarly, you do the same thing. Provide the list of email ID. Okay. So let me remove the links. Done. Now let us do one thing. This is the file, right? So before this, let us have a Excel read from OneDrive. If you are using SharePoint, then choose SharePoint Excel. Okay, business Excel file. Now get row or list row present in table. Before this, you need to convert this into a table. So let's do that. Insert table has my header. So this is my table. Now let us give the path Power Automate for book. Okay. Now table would be table one. It doesn't have any table. Let's rename this into email ID filter. This should have a table name, right? Table one is the table name. So email ID, say email ID. Okay, let's delete this and let's take the same Excel file again from OneDrive. If you're using, you can go this with this also. But since I have a problems with the business actions, I won't be able to go with that. So I'm using this. Uh, okay, Power Automate, Auto Reply. Right. Now, email ID is my table. Got it. Now I got the data, right? So let's loop through each row. So control for each body value. Let's delete this off. We don't want that. It's okay. Now we have value, right? So we can add if condition. If email ID, conversation email ID from, let's see, where exactly? Yeah, from is equal to email ID, then reply to it. Okay. Now let's try one more email. Let's try sending one more email. Let's delete this off. Okay. And let's delete this off. Let's send one more email. Same thing. Let me copy same thing and send it here. It may have deleted. Trash. I am interested in so and so. Okay. Let me copy this. Restaurant email ID is this. Copy, paste, subject. Oh, subject. Now let me write it as uh, customer dashboard, something like that. Okay. Let me give proper project name. Now I have done that, and I'll have also saved this, right? Let me just save one more time. I'm not sure. Don't remember it. Anyway, I have done that. Let's refresh this. Not yet. Okay, it succeeded. Let's see what happened. Okay, it did say it has been sent. So you see, the email has been replied, and I should have received the response also. Yeah. So I have received the response as well. You see. So this way, you can control whom the email to be sent also. You keep adding the row of that particular person, and you should be able to manage of sending automated emails with the standard template to that particular person, right? So that's all for today. I hope this was informative, and I hope this kind of a solution helped you. If you have any question, or if you end up having any problems while working on this solution, just let me know in the comment. I'll help you out. Or you can share your solution using the your email to this email account. I'll take a look into it. Yeah. So that's all for today. I hope we get to see again. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.